guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. I know I've been away for quite some time now. Right now it's 6 a.m. and I'm sitting in my bathroom for probably the last time. If you don't follow me on my other social medias, you won't know that we are moving. I think I posted a video about our new empty apartment a couple weeks ago. But you know, I spent the past couple of days back in Indiana, and since we've gone back to Boston, it's literally just been us packing like crazy and trying to get everything done before Sunday, when the movers actually do come. So hence why I've been MIA for so long. But yeah, I'm in my bathroom for the very last time, and it is very early. I don't think Douglas is even awake yet. And we are going to be moving today, so I'll try to get some footage of that, and then I'll come back here and sit with you guys and talk about, like, you know, because I left you guys off with such a cliffhanger. Like, I haven't even talked about my book signing or anything like that yet. So once we're more settled, I'll hop back on camera and talk about those things. So if you're interested in that, just keep on watching. So this is day 2 of unpacking. I wanted to record more from the movers yesterday, but it was just so hectic. Like, we didn't have time for any of that. So it's still me, still no makeup, just slightly more faded hair and a pink dress this time. I'm in my bathroom. So I thought I would give you guys an update on our packing process real quick. Take note, Douglas made shower curtain holders or shower liner holders with tape. If anything, he's very resourceful. So yeah, that's the state of the mess we're in. But let me just kind of take you around and show you what we've done so far. Okay, so Douglas is currently working in his office, so I'm not going to show you anything we did in there. But I'm barricading him with the boxes that I am emptying. This is a shot of the bedroom. Pardon all the noise from the street, but we have our bed set up and not much else. There's clothes and stuff. We're turning this into exclusively my closet, and Douglas's closet will be in the office. So yeah, and then I guess the only thing to really show, this is what I'm working on today, is all of this. And we just have some random Halloween pillows out, and I'm sorting through our wedding china and stuff because I have no idea where I'm going to put that. But yeah, we got all these boxes, and right now I'm working on unloading dishes and trying to get this place somewhat functional because we have to like eat in here too. Notice the clothes piles because, again, I too am nothing but resourceful, and I've been using them to wrap glassware and stuff. So all the china is good. The only thing that broke was a stemmed wine glass, but I feel like I'm always breaking those. So I think that's pretty successful so far. I still have a whole box to go. Well, quite a few boxes to go. But yeah, I will be checking back in with you guys when this place is a little bit more clean. Hey there. So this is, I'm not sure what day of the move it is, but things are starting to kind of level out. And it's starting to look like an apartment now. So let me just kind of give you another little walkthrough and show you some of the changes we've made in some of the spaces. There's still furniture coming for the bedroom and the office. Those aren't really done, but I can show you the living room, kitchen, and bathroom. So let me just do that right now. So as you can see, our kitchen is starting to look more like a kitchen. You can't really tell too much because, I mean, most of the stuff's in the cabinets and stuff. But all of our kitchen stuff is put away. Our dishwasher has been acting up. I don't know why. But let me just show you. See, like, you can see some of the cute things that we have put away. I won't show you too much because that's just kind of that. And then we have the living room area. So I think the only thing we have left to do really is hang that big art piece up on this wall. And then other than that, that should be done. Oh, and the clock's going to go over there.
But Douglas got these like IKEA little, I don't know if they're bookshelves or what, but he got them to put his board games up, and so this is more like a gaming console area. And then there's pictures of us over there. The lighting here is really good. Like I had a selfie session and it was so much fun. And like I never feel good taking selfies, frankly. So yeah, this is like my favorite spot of the house. I hang out here a lot lately. But then Douglas is working, so you might hear his noises when I show you the bathroom, but I will try to just do a quick scan. Hello, everybody. Quite a bit of time has passed since I last recorded an update for our house. I'm just gonna finish the house for now. I don't necessarily think the house is complete, but it's getting to the point where this is a day where the house is clean, and although there's still like tiny things to do, like figure out where to hang up paintings and stuff, I think the house is mostly done. Besides maybe us getting a carpet in the future for the living room, and like just whether or not we get more Halloween decorations, because I already put my Halloween decorations up too, and I figured, well, let's just do it now. It's been a minute. So I am actually going to show you guys the completed bathroom, bedroom, and living room, kitchen area. I'm not going to show you guys our office just yet because I do plan on making like a separate office tour for the Writers Wednesdays channel, or the Writers Wednesdays series, since that kind of goes into like my work and stuff. Plus Douglas is working in the office right now and I don't want to like disturb him in his flow or whatever. So yeah, I'll just show you the rest of the rooms, and yeah, hopefully you guys like what we've done so far. Okay, so starting off, we have the bedroom, and I'm gonna try to like pan it so you guys can see. This is my wall of hats plus a hanger. Don't ask me why the hanger is in the middle right now, it just is. But that's just like the hats I use most often, and we've turned them into a wall art piece. We have my purses hanging on the doorway. If we turn this way, we have this closet that is made up entirely of my clothing. Exhibit A, this is just my stuff. Douglas has a closet in the office that's all his clothing, but we have an armoire that's like both of ours. Please ignore the fingerprints. Again, we're trying to clean as we go. This is a gift from my sister that broke in transit, but we are going to glue that back on. We also have just like portraits of us and me. Just random knickknacks here right now. A lovely mirror on this side. And then of course we have my cow painting that reminds me of the Virgin Mary. Don't ask me why, it just does. They are guarding us over our bed. That's my anxiety blanket that Douglas got for me and has been a saving grace so far. But yeah, this is what the bed looks like. I'm thinking about getting rid of this pillow because there's like a lot of pillows on the bed right now. These two normally aren't on there. It's just like, again, we had to make room for Halloween decorations, so, I just threw them on the bed. We finally got our curtains up, and so we, close them at night for when we go to sleep. And then this is my makeup vanity and, like, little stool or whatever. Hello. You get a nice shot. Nice body shot. And I use this just for, like, makeup. I have some tiny eyeshadow palettes and stuff here. Contacts. Perfume, some more pictures. This is more like family portraits from me, my tarot cards, some makeup and lashes and stuff, my mom, my sister. This is my sort of super secret journal magic book, which I can talk about later if you guys want, but I figured, not really on this channel. But yeah, we got foundation. We got more eyeshadow palettes. and a ton of lip products slash hand sanitizers. This drawer is empty right now. We also have brushes here. That's kind of like my organization system right now. And yeah, this is a mirror. It lights up when I turn on, and it's got 3 different notches for like warm, cool, and neutral lighting. So I love this. This was also a gift from Douglas when we moved in. And I also have my lavender water for, you know, we love that. We love that magical healing. I normally just let it sit in the sun, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, that's the bedroom. Okay, and so this is our bathroom. Again, mind the mess, but I guess that if you want to see this, this is like toilet stuff. I want to hang something here. I'm not sure what though. Douglas is very against me putting more holes in the walls, but you know me, I want to do all the sorts of renos. This is our sink. Don't ask me why the soap is two-toned. We had orange soap in here, and then we put a cream one in, and then all of a sudden it decided to turn into that. But we really like the soap dispenser. This is from Home Goods. We have our stress relief lotion. We have our little mirror that doubles as storage. So also we have this ombre shower curtain, which is really cute. Don't ask me why we have a yellow tub. I can't stand that, but I'm not going to show you that. But yeah, this is also at Home Goods. It's very nice. We have lots of grays and neutrals in this space, and then just like a random orange towel because Halloween. I want to put more Halloween stuff in here, but it is what it is. Okay, and so this is all we were still working on. We put one of our signs up here, but we still have all these to decide whether or not they go up or if they stay. Please ignore that bag. But yeah, I figured I'd show you guys the kitchen. I don't think much has changed since the last video I showed you guys, but we got a new dishwasher, and this actually works now, so that's great. We put my clock up. We put all the knickknacks up and kind of got everything organized here. But now let me show you, bam, the living room. And quite a few things have changed. Predominantly the fact that it is spooky season now. So we have pumpkins and all this good stuff up. That's supposed to be our dining room table, but the set it came with didn't have enough parts for a second chair, so we're still waiting on those. Douglas has a game out. We haven't actually eaten on it yet, but I kind of knew when he bought that would just be for board games anyway. I'm not even mad about it. It's just one of those things that happens when you're married. These are his little cubbies for all of his board games and stuff. Again, I got that haunted house literally like a few days ago at Home Goods. Isn't it cute? I freaking love it. These pumpkins also light up, but they're just not plugged in right now. I plug them in at night, but this is second cubby. And some more Halloween stuff. Most of it's from Home Goods. Some of it's a gift, like the Frankenstein's a gift. We have our TV. And we also have this hunk of Labradorite. Fun fact, I wrote about this in my book, Cursed Fate. And I used it quite a bit for, like, just, I don't know, for some of the cool magical scenes and fight scenes and just overall ambiance. And Douglas found it at a witchy shop, and he bought it to show that he is supportive, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, so now we have the big crystal from my book, and if you notice, there's like rainbow reflexes in it. It's like super pretty, and it has the same effect in the book too, obviously, but see how it's black, and then all of a sudden when it shines in the light, it's like kind of rainbowy. So yeah, that's also in the house. But yeah, here's another shot of Douglas's board games, pictures of us and our wedding. A pair because Douglas's last name is Pereira, so we are the pear tree family because that's what that means in Portuguese. More elephants. I guess that's just like a motif for us. I don't know. And then the cutest spooky garlands. I'm not a fan of the ghost. That was a gift, but I put it up because it matches like these little ghosties on this garland. And yeah, we finally got Douglas's picture up. It's one of my favorite things that we own. And we get compliments on it every time people come in. So it's just kind of like, I don't know, the centerpiece that kind of anchors everything together. And yeah, that's basically it. I mean, other than some like hall closets that just have a bunch of junk in them or old decorations. I apologize if the audio in this video is bad. We are filming on the go. I don't have my microphone and there's stuff going on outside. What can I tell you? We live in a very busy area. But yeah, other than the whole closets in the office, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys like this video. I don't know. I noticed that like house tours are really popping right now. Again, this isn't a house. This is our new apartment, but we're really proud of it. We're really proud of like the kind of growth we've had this year, and we'd like to share that experience with you guys too. So if you liked it, go ahead and let me know. You can like the video, comment down below, share it with a friend, or subscribe to the channel. Please, please, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean so much to me. And until then, thanks. Bye.